Hello dear student, welcome to Dream Day School. Let's now start chapter 3, revision of chapter 3. Okay, so let us see this. This is your chapter 3, revision notes on synthetic fiber and plastic. Fabrics are made by weaving fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. They can be of two types. First one is a natural fiber. You also know that about natural fiber. Natural fiber are produced by plants or animals. For example, for example, example cotton, wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fiber or man-made fibers are textile fibers made by human beings, usually natural materials or the petrochemical. For example, rayon, nylon and polyester, etc. You also know that about the rayon, nylon, rayon prepared for the wood pulp, or and nylon is the first purely synthetic fiber. Okay, uh, what are the synthetic fiber? What is the synthetic fiber made up of? A synthetic fiber as well as plastic is made up of chain of small unit called monomers, which combine to form polymers, polymers and monomers. A monomer is a single molecule that can bond with other identical molecules to form polymers through a process called polymer called polymerization. Okay, you also see this here about a polymer. Then polymer is a Greek word in which poly means many and mer that means unit. Okay, then polymer is the combination of many units. Okay, hence polymer are large molecule made up of several molecules or linked together. For example, polymer for example of polymers, all synthetic fibers such as the rayon and nylon are polymer. Okay, dear student, all of you all of you understood very well of this chapter. Okay, so let us see this about the polymers are also found in nature. Cotton is a polymer called cellulose. Cellulose is made up of a number of single unit or monomers called glucose. Okay, cotton fiber is a mostly cellulose, and cellulose is made up of a chain of the sugars glucose linked together a certain way. This is the cellulose 1 and 4 link of a beta glucose. This is the structure of cellulose. Polymerization reaction. Let us see this polymerization reaction. What is the polymerization reaction? The process of linking small monomers together to form polymers is called polymerization. Okay, it's called polymerization. Okay, dear student. Next, types of synthetic fiber. You already know that about a synthetic fiber is a many types in rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Okay, then rayon also known as the artificial silk, and nylon. And if we talk about if we talk about a rayon, then you also know that about a rayon also known as the artificial silk made from the wood pulp. Okay, naturally occurring cellulose, absorb moisture and comfortable to wear. Okay, and second one is a nylon, first synthetic made entirely from chemical. Okay, this is the pure form of artificial fiber. Nylon made up of a coal, petroleum oil and air and water. Strong, elastic, wrinkle resistance, absorb very little water and easy to wash. You already know that about the nylon. uh, Parachute, yeah, also parachute also made from the nylon, and uh, thin thread of a nylon is much stronger than a iron or steel wire. Okay, sorry, polyester made from monomers called ester, manufactured from petroleum, extremely strong chemical resistant, wrinkle resistance, very durable, does not absorb water easily and quick to dry. Okay, and acrylic, lightweight, soft and warm like wool, wrinkle resistance, does not shrink, cheaper than wool, can be dyed easily in variety of color. Okay, dear student, and more description about the rayon. Cotton is a natural fabric. Rayon is a semi synthetic. Okay, let us see this. See here. Then cotton is a natural fabric. Rayon is a semi synthetic. Okay, cotton. This is the example of cotton. Rayon is a versatile fiber and can imitate the feel and texture of a silk, wool, cotton and linen with drape and slipperiness. Okay, to nylon, akin to nylon. Why rayon is a called artificial fiber? Then you say that rayon resembles silk in appearance, texture and sign. Hence is hence it is also known as artificial silk. Silk fiber was discovered in China and made from the silkworm. It had a beautiful texture and was very costly. By the end of the 19th century, scientists managed to make an artificial silk-like fiber made by treating wood pulp chemically. Okay, uses of rayon. This man-made fiber uses naturally material and can be woven like silk fiber. It is cheaper than the silk and can be dyed in a variety of color. It can be make appear, appear up, sorry make apparels like make apparels like suit, slacks, jacket, etc. Make automobiles tire cord because of its strength, and so many use are these given here. About nylon, nylon is the first synthetic fiber to be prepared without using any natural raw material. Okay, which properties make nylon suitable for making ropes used for rock climbing, strong fiber, lightweight, lightweight and weather resistant, making finishing nets, strong elastic, water resistant, making tents strong, light, does not absorb much water, dries quickly. Okay, these are the use of nylon. uh, Developed in 1931, this thermoplastic silky material is strong, elastic, light, luster and easy to wash, and nylon thread is in a fact stronger than a steel wire. Hence, it is used to make a cloth, make parachute as well as rope for the rock climbing, make ropes, toothbrush and car seat belt, etc. Make tents, certain curtain and sleeping baggage. These are the polyester, like a polycotton, polyester and cotton. About a polyester, durable, dries quickly, less wrinkle, less fading. Okay, and these are the common feature of poly cotton, given here. No shrinkage, affordable, keep shape and color, breathable, soft or less fading. And about cotton, you also know that about cotton, soft and strong, easy to dye, breathable. Okay, then you also see here, name some name name some name some types of polyester fiber. Some popular polyester fiber are terri terylene, often known by brand name Dacron, which can be drawn into a very fine fiber and can be woven like any other yarn. Polyethylene, poly, polyethylene, terephthalate, terephthalate, PET, that means PET, that called polyethylene terephthalate, okay, is used for the making valves, film, bottle, utensils, and other product. What are the bleeding fiber? Give some example. These are the example. You also see this here. And some use of polyester given here. Make polyester is a strong wrinkle resistance and the water resistant. It has several uses. It can be used to make a variety of a textile, including sarees, cotton, dress material, and can be blended with natural fibers like a cotton wool. Make films, magnetic recording tapes, etc. Okay, this is here given here. Acrylic is a strong, lightweight, and the swarm and warm synthetic fiber that resembles wool. It is available in number of colors and is more durable and affordable than natural wool. Okay, dear student. You also say that about acrylic fiber, fabric, plastic, or the paint are all made from the acrylic acid. The word acrylic means containing acrylic or acrolein. Acrolein Acrolein is the sharp and the bitter liquid in onions and has its root in two Latin words, "ascia", which means sharp, and "olear", which means to smell. Okay. Uses of acrylic fiber, you also see here. Make woolen cloths like hats, scrabs, gloves, sweater, blanket, and the other home furnishing fabric. Make fake fur used for the making toys and for accessories. Make garments for babies as the fabric is a machine washable. Okay. Characteristic of a synthetic fiber. This is the important for you. Look here. What are the synthetic fiber made of? All the fiber are manufactured by the processing raw material of a petroleum origin in a number of ways. The raw material of petroleum origin are called petrochemicals. Okay, all of you see this. Why why would we not wear synthetic cloth in kitchen? This you also see here. Plastic is a polymer which can be molded into different shapes. The word plastic originates from the Greek word plastic plastikos, which means that can be molded or shaped. Plastic polymer can have different types of or arrangement of monomers: linear, branch, and cross and network polymer. These are the mind map of a types of plastic: thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. You already know that about the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. And thermoplastic are so many type plastic which can be deformed and bent easily on heating are known as the thermoplastic and thermoplastics are often used for the manufacture toy, combs, and the various type of container like a polythene and PVC. And thermosetting plastic that cannot be softened by the heating are known as the thermosetting plastic like a bakelite and the melamine. Okay. It is the commonly used for making plastic bags. The term is made up of a poly and ethane and monomers are correct for polyethylene. Okay, you also see this. Okay, okay, dear student. You also know that about 3R: refuse, reduce, and reuse. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.